Welcome to Engineers Galaxy. Today we're exploring the CruiseUp, a groundbreaking air vehicle from Austrian startup CycloTech. Powered by innovative CycloRotor Technology with 360-degree thrust vectoring, this compact design is set to transform personal air travel. Thanks to the brilliant engineers behind this innovation, we're witnessing the future of mobility. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest engineering breakthroughs. After 15 years of development, rigorous testing, and over 500 successful flights, CycloTech is ready to revolutionize air mobility. The CruiseUp is designed for the individual air mobility needs of the future, offering a sustainable alternative to ground-based transportation. Imagine a world where daily travel is not only effortless, but also eco-friendly, made possible by cutting-edge engineering. The CruiseUp features a unique electric propulsion system, CycloRotors. These encapsulated rotors provide extra safety and ensure redundancy with 6 rotors, allowing safe flight even in case of failure. Their advanced configuration enables precise sideways backward flight and mid-air braking without tilting the vehicle, a true engineering marvel. With a top speed of 150 km/h and a range of 100 km, CruiseUp makes city and suburban travel quick and easy. This vehicle, driven by groundbreaking engineering, offers a comfortable, stable ride, even in challenging conditions. Next year, the first wave of electric flying vehicles will debut, but CycloTech predicts the real breakthrough will come a decade later, when individually owned eVTOLs like the CruiseUp will offer true point-to-point travel. This is the future that visionary engineers are building today. If you're excited about the future of air mobility, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Engineers Galaxy for more on the latest innovations. The future of engineering is just taking off.